I've been working on my lowrider CC01. Dropped the suspension as much as it'll go, and being able to keep a certain amount of suspension travel. But I want the body to sit lower. It's not too bad, but I want the body to sit lower, so I went ahead and made some lowering parts for it. So we're going to put these on. Also, I get these printed on Shapeways. I also have lift kits, 5, 10, and 15 millimeter lifts. If you want to check out Shapeways, it's theLEDwheel, of course, on Shapeways. So I'm going to take these original ones off and put these new ones on, and put the body on and see what it looks like. This is how it's sitting right now. Now, let's get to work. Alright, it's time to drop the body on. Check it out. You're seeing this for the first time, just like I am. The back goes on nicely. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is just perfect.